blue mirror plexiglass. The whole box is lined in it. Black mirror plexi on the brace in the middle of the wooden one.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. How thick is the plexiglass? How thick is
1 inch?
Okay, wow.
It was 3/4 before last time.
Okay.
Now it's 1 inch.
Man, this is nice. What's this bluish, mirrorish looking
Yeah,
man?
it's blue mirror plexiglass. The whole box is lined in it.
Wow.
Black mirror plexi on the brace in the middle of the wooden one. Scott Bowman did all the paint work and the metal work.
Wow.
And it's a 5-color chameleon on all the poles, the horns, the front of the subs, the cones.
Wow.
It changes, blue, a purple, a red, a gold, and a bronze.
Really?
Yeah.
That's fascinating, man.
Those are the 5 4.12s. The same ones Carlos Rodriguez and Greg Corbin run.
Yep. Wow. How much lithium is all of this? This is a lot.
Yeah, it's 180 amp hours inside cells specifically.
Okay. Is that a 16K amp?
Yeah, 2 16Ks.
Okay.
At 0.7 each.
Looks like you have like an aviation themed system.
Yeah, it's all aviation themed.
Okay.
That's the name of the truck and the logo SR71.
Okay.
And you can see it on the front of the subs, the stickers,
Yep.
the holographic.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. Wow. Did you do any kind of SPL testing on this at all?
I have not. I just got the new subs in now, and I just started playing them today. I got a radio from a friend last night.
So they're still breaking in pretty much?
Yeah, they've got like 20, 30 minutes of playtime.
Wow,
right
okay.
now.
Nice. Really. What's your box cubic space and tuning, if you know?
Yeah, it's like 26 or 28 cubes. I'd have to pull up the exact spec sheet. But,
It's okay.
And then it's 30 tuned to 30.5.
Okay.
It's a Drew Jones design.
Okay. Very nice.
It likes the 20s, the low 20, high 20s,
Yes,
and
sir.
low 30s right now.
Okay.
That's what it's like.
Awesome.
It's not like in the high notes. It needs to break in.
Yeah.
I can still hear it bottom out. I mean, I'm sure you probably heard it a couple times.
A couple
I gotta
times.
be careful with the power on it.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yes, sir.
They need to break in.
Man.
Jacob, John Earl.
John Earl, all right, man.
Nice to meet you.
You
Appreciate
too. Nice to see you again, man. You had a really...
Nice to see you again.
Yes,
too,
sir.
man.
Great job. You're welcome.
Yep.
Awesome build.
Yes.
Nice.
Wanna pack up my clothes, my kids and catches to fly. They ain't getting older. I never wanted them to know how I feel. Come from a broken home. My fault is I did it all. Part of the road trap. They drove that thing in a minute. I don't even know why I bought it. Really ain't the ticket. I said it was a look on my face when I did it. But really it was my pride.
shut the door?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, load better. It's really good. All right.
I'm still working on finding
The music songs that hit good for it.
it.
Yeah.
So,
How do you like the sub swap?
it's a lot better. I like it better than the DVs I had before.
Yes, sir. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, I would love to hear it. Ready when you are, man.
You so concerned about my real life, it's alright. But who are you? Just a nigga with a girl. It take right fast to shoot. You don't know.
Wow, awesome, man. That is impressive. There's some motor force on these things. Wow. Man, I appreciate the demo, man. And that plays down, what, mid-20s or so? What was that frequency range?
Was, let's see here.
It got down pretty low in the drop.
24 and 35 right there.
Very nice.
Yeah, it likes the 20s, the low 20, high 20s,
Yes,
and
sir.
low 30s right now.
Okay.
That's what it's like.
Awesome.
It's not like in the high notes. It needs to break in.
Yeah.
I can still hear it bottom out. I mean, I'm sure you probably heard it a couple times.
A couple
I gotta be
times.
careful with the power on it.
Yeah.
right now.
Yes, sir.
They need to break in.
Got it. I agree. Yes, sir. Hey, nice to meet you. Your name, man?
John Earl.
John Earl. All right, man.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Appreciate
Nice to
it.
see you again, man. You had a
Yeah,
really,
nice to see you again,
yes,
too,
sir.
man.
Great job. You're welcome.
Yep.
Awesome build.
Yes.